Ralph, could you translate for the bailiff as he swears the witness?
Yes.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirmatively the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
你神圣的宣誓，你将讲的证言将是实话，是吗？
是的。
Yes.
You can give her the microphone to hold and I'll help you hold it.
请他抓在手里，以便能够放大的清楚。您需要在麦克风讲。
Good morning.
请讲清楚，慢一点，以便口译员能够听您口译，好不好？
Good morning, Ms. Chen.
早晨，先生。
Can you say, are you related to Jason Chen?
您跟 Jason Chen 有没有亲戚关系？
我是他妈妈。
I am his mom.
I want to talk to you about your son. Can you tell me a little bit about Jason?
你再讲一次，我听不大清楚。
Can you say that again? I didn't hear you very well.
Can you tell me about your son?
你能不能告诉我你的儿子？
这是我儿子，他是一个很懂事的孩子，他很乖，在家里都很听话。
Someone who knows right from wrong.
Tell me a little bit about his childhood. What kind of a child was Jason growing up?
那么 Jason 长大的时候呢，他的儿童时期是怎么样的？
他在学校小学跟初中都是挺好的，很好。他们就很少去外面，都是几个人，他整个都在家里读书，回来都在家里。
He is a diligent student and got along very well in school with everyone. He spent a great deal amount of time at home doing his studying.
What kind of character? I know people can be defined by a moment in their life, but prior to this incident, what kind of character would you say that Jason had or has?
那么我知道，有的时候一个人他的生命有的时候是在一瞬间就会改变的。那么 Jason 在这件事情发生以前，就是他以前，你能不能告诉我他的人格个性是怎么样的？
他在家都是很好，很听话的。他读书回来都是在家里，有的时候我做餐馆都很晚回来，有的时候他在家里都帮我干家务事。
So he is a very obedient child, diligent in his study, and he will wait at home while we work very late from the restaurant business, and he will help out with housework.
Was he a violent person, a violent child?
他是不是一个有力的孩子？
什么？你再讲一次，我听不大清楚。
Can you say that again? I could hardly understand what you're saying or hear you.
What was he a violent child?
他是不是一个有暴力的孩子？
他是的，他是一个很好的孩子，他都没有跟。
A very good child.
他都没有跟别人吵架，这些都是很懂事。如果我在家都跟他说：“妈妈不会英文，你要好好读书。”他说：“我知道，妈妈，你做餐馆很辛苦。”
He never fights in school, never fights with anyone. He knows right from wrong. And I told him that mom doesn't know English and cannot help you in many things. He said that I will study hard and I know.
How will this situation change your family?
那么这件事情对于你们家庭的影响怎么样？
我对我孩子，因为我们想不到他会发生这种事情。因为我们家都是比较好，我们都没有犯什么错误，我们都是好好的生活、上班赚钱，就想把两个孩子抚养长大，让他们共读书，好好学习，找一份好的工作，因为我们都很辛苦做餐馆。
要登记，陈太太，您等一下好不好？Yes, we are a law-abiding family. We teach our two children to study hard, to work hard, and to get a good job and have a good life.
How will Jason going to prison affect your family?
那么 Jason 如果到监狱里面去，会不会他是怎么样会影响到你的家庭生活？
他给我们的地方很大，我们就是希望他犯了错误在里面好好改造，然后我们也希望陪审团给他们一个好好的改过出来，因为我们真的很想他，因为他不是一个坏的孩子，他是一个很好的孩子，他都会很体谅我们，妈妈也很辛苦，他经常告诉我妈妈我会好好读书的，他还告诉我说妈妈我快毕业了，半年我就毕业了，我再去读，以后去读 master。他说我读了赚了钱，你不要去餐馆上班，很辛苦，我会好好赚钱给你，妈妈。他真的是一个很好的孩子。
He is actually a very good kid. He told me that within half a year I will graduate and I am going to study my master's and I will be making lots of money and you no longer need to be working so hard in the restaurant. I hope that you will give him a chance to improve his life, and I wish the jury will give him a chance to give him another chance in his life so that he can do what's right.
Is there anything that you want the family of Jasmine Pace to know sitting here
那么
today?
你有没今天的 Jasmine Pace 他的家庭，你要跟他们怎么讲呢？
我就恳求陪审团跟法官大人给我们孩子一个改过的机会，然后他有希望回家的盼头，就是希望他有一天可以出来回家。他不是一个坏，他是一个很好的孩子。
He is a very good child. He is not a bad person. I pray that please to the judge and the jury to give him a chance so that he can go home and restart his life.
Is there anything that you want to say to Jasmine Pace's family?
那么你跟 Jasmine Pace 他的家人，你要跟他们讲什么呢？
我就是想跟他们父母讲，我孩子犯错了，这已经也受到了惩罚，希望他的父母给他一个在里面改造一个，重新做人，有个机会出来，改造后出来有个希望，有一天也能见到我们父母。我们父母来到美国。只是不会，因为真的很辛苦，培养一个孩子，我们真的很辛苦。希望他们会家人给我们一个，给他孩子一个，给我孩子一个改造的机会，有一天出来。
Will give him, my son, a chance to be out one day and a chance to restart his life, because it is very, very difficult in a country that we have to, without knowing English, we have to raise children in very difficult circumstances, and he is a good person, he's not a bad person. We wish that her family would allow him a chance to relive his life and improve his situation.
Can you explain to the jury why Jason should have the ability to have parole 51 years from now?
能不能跟陪审官解释为什么你认为 Jason 在51%就是服刑之后呢，会有为什么他应该有机会被做出缓刑？
因为他平常都是一个很好、很懂事的孩子，他的犯错也是一时的犯错，然后他就是改造了，他好好会在里面好好。出来也要让他有一天有个希望，改造后，孩子要给他一个希望出来，早一天能够出来。他不是一个好孩子，他是一个很懂事的孩子，他就是一直不知。
He is a good child. He knows right from wrong because his sudden passion, he made mistakes, and we wish that he can have a chance to change and improve in the prison, and I hope that he will have hope to get out one day and relive a changed life.
Just one moment, Your Honor.
you so much. If I could just have you raise your right hand and we'll finish this out. You solemnly swear or affirm that you have interpreted accurately, completely, and impartially, using your best skill and judgment in accordance with the standards prescribed by law, the rules of ethics, and spoken word and language interpretation in Tennessee, that you have followed all official guidelines established by the court for legal interpreting or translating. You have discharged all of the solemn duties and obligations of legal interpretation and translation in this case as you, when you translated earlier for Mrs. Chen. Is that correct?
Yes, I do.
Okay, and you have done that, correct?
Yes, I have done that.
Thank you so much for your availability.
You're welcome.
Let them shut down. Actually, we're in this probably just this. I'm gonna shut down. All right, Mr.
And I may approach.
Yes. Ways I can have to work, I think, is the microphone's going to be very close to the microphone from the phone. The jury can hear the translation English. Yes. What's more, Ms. Morrison, what needs to most of the things that happen is the person on the phone needs to hear her voice.
Right.
And the jury needs to hear the translation come through the phone.
Right. You want to swear this interpreter?
Well, I don't know if it's a licensed interpreter or not. For the record, what happened was there was some concern about whether or not the witnesses' answers being translated. Ms. Wee Ralph, who was a translator, is pretty much the #1 Mandarin translator that's used by the administrative office of the courts throughout the state of Tennessee. However, Mrs. mother was very upset, and her words might have come out in a way that did not perhaps communicate what she wanted to, or at least what the defense wanted to. So what we're doing is a workaround where a person is on the phone, that the defense is comfortable translating Mrs. Chen's words to the jury. And so Ms. Morrison's holding a phone with the translator that the defense feels comfortable with, and hopefully the jury and the record, the jury will understand what's being said, and the record will reflect that. All right, you may proceed.
Ms. Chen, what do you want the victim's family to know?
Mr. Weiss, you can stand next to Ms. Morrison. That way you're speaking directly into the phone.
Your Honor, can we at least know the relationship between the translator and the family,
If
who
the
this
rec-
is, or does it matter?
I don't know if it matters or not. The court's done its duty to
Yes.
provide a certified interpreter. I want Mr. Chen to be able to have the defense he wants for the translation that he wants. I believe it's at the end. It ends. All right, Mr. Chen. Okay.
Your Honor, and apparently there's a specific dialect that Ms. Chen speaks that this interpreter can also speak.
Okay. Ms. Weiss, you can speak clearly into the phone. Make sure the phone is held to the microphone so the jurors can hear the English response.
Is your name Jenny Chen?
Yes.
All right. Ms. Chen, are you related to Shufang?
Yes.
Can the jurors hear that okay? Raise your hand if it gets kind of hard. Can you hear? You're good?
Jenny Chen, can you please ask Shufang Chen what, if anything, she wants the victim's family to know?
OK，我見咗書，對我嘅大眾啊，你想講邊啊？
我
你想講邊啊？
我想知道有沒有 陪审团法官都开始有会，都叫伊见好伫啦，留伊有会开始介绍我啦，见好伫啦啊，有会时间可以见好伫啦。
Okay. Jason's mom, Jason's mom say, she know, he make a big mistake, and he recognized that. His mother think he's still young. He hope Julia can get more chance, if not, with the parole.
伊当然真的是为真真啊，搞到他就伊啊啦，老都没来真的是为阿姆里爱，这个还是那个法官早早一可以改变那个弄可以，我来真的是为，干弄啊，我可以干弄啊。He
said he's still young, and his mom wants you guys can give him a chance, keep it alive with the parole because he's only 24 years old.
Thank you, Ms. Chen. No further questions.
Does the state have any questions?
No, yeah.